the Ninja Flexdrawer, the daddy of all air fryers, or is it still? We have the new Cosori, the new kid on the block. Is it up to the Ninja standard? We shall find out in this video. I'm going to go through all the functions and sizes and everything you need to know to make your mind up which one you should choose. So let's jump straight into it.
One Pizza 2 ready, cooking and unboxing videos.
So welcome back to the channel everyone, and like I said, I unboxed this Cosori air fryer on last week's video, and I thought, to be honest, it was really good. I thought it was a cracking bit of kit. But avid viewers and followers of the channel will know I also unboxed this Ninja Flexdrawer about 6 months ago. It's my neighbour's from across the road. She has lent it me, so thank you to Amazing Gleam for lending me an air fryer to do this video. So I unboxed it back then, and again I thought this was, you know, such a step up. However, things move on. This is still the #1 Flexdrawer air fryer, so can Cosori compete with it? So I'm going to go through each element of the fryers, and we're going to score it. We're going to see which one gets the best score at the end of the video. But stay tuned, because I'm also going to tell you which one I will buy, and also I'm going to tell you 2 things that both of these are missing. So make sure you are staying tuned and obviously subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any future content. Right, so let's look at this straight off. The Ninja has a 10.4 litre basket. The Cosori has a 10 litre basket. So without even opening these at the minute, the Ninja is one up slightly on basket size. Talking of basket size, we're going to pull these out and we're going to measure the actual baskets themselves to give you a quick idea. This is going to be without the dividers in, so I'll take the dividers out, and the same with this one. We get the tape measure, and I'm going to leave the base plates in both of these, like so. And you've got to bear in mind, this has had 6 months of hammer, so we know that this is up to the task. So width 37 centimeters for the Ninja, width 38 centimeters for the Cosori, and the depth is 21.5 centimeters for the Ninja and 22 centimeters for the Cosori. So although the Ninja won overall capacity, if you have something larger that's thinner, the Cosori will actually be a better version for you because you've got more floor space of the actual basket. However, the depth is 10.5 centimeters versus the Ninja at just under 12 centimeters. So the Ninja has a deeper overall drawer. For me personally, I would say the floor space of the drawer is more important. Let me know in the comments which one is more important to you. So both have a divider that slides in really easily to divide both drawers, so I'm not going to go into that because I went into that on the unboxing videos of both of these, which you can find on the channel. Now, while I've got both drawers out, these cook using electric cooking elements. Now, the Ninja has 2 at the top, the Cosori has 2 at the top, but it also has 2 on the bottom. It's got 4 elements versus Ninja's 2, so cooking times should be less in this. So overall, that's a win for the Cosori. Now, the main control panels on these 2 air fryers. The Ninja is, you know, the classic Ninja rotation knob, and it also has physical push buttons, whereas the Cosori is a completely flat, wipeable touchscreen. Okay, so control wise, do you like a physical button? Do you like the touchscreen? It's hard because I used to love the way the Ninja looked and also the physical buttons, but since I've used this Cosori one with the touchscreen, I really like the touchscreen. The only time the Ninja is slightly advantageous is depending on the different light in your kitchen, and the touchscreen can sometimes be a little difficult to see. However, we then look at Wi-Fi and app controls. The Ninja, there's no Wi-Fi, no app controls. The Cosori, we have app and Wi-Fi controllability, including recipes, pre-functions, and again this is all in the unboxing video that I've done of this, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's just a quick overview. So for me, control wise of these two, the Cosori wins on that point as well. So overall height of these two, so let's say you're putting this under a countertop. Ninja have this down at just over 32 centimeters, and Cosori have theirs at 33 centimeters. However, you can see from this here, the Ninja is higher than the Cosori, so let me get a tape measure out. So the Ninja is 32.5 centimeters and the Cosori is 31.5 centimeters. So the Cosori is slightly lower than the Ninja, if that's a point for your purchasing, depending on where it's going to go in your kitchen. Will it fit under the cupboard or not? Next, cooking modes. So the Ninja has 7 cooking modes versus the Cosori 6 cooking modes. So for this one, the Ninja has won. All very, very similar. However, the Ninja has a max crisp function where it will blast at 240 degrees on air fry setting. So overall, just on number of cooking functions that this has, the Ninja wins. Temperature ranges though, the Ninja is 60 degrees to 240 degrees, and this is UK Celsius, and the Cosori is 35 degrees up to 240 degrees, so this is a bigger temperature range. So the temperature range, the Cosori's won that one. Right, next, build quality. So we know that Ninja is top of the tree for build quality, and Cosori in the past hasn't been. However, I would say the build quality of both of these machines are on par with each other. You can't really pick between the two, and I do know that some of the Ninja users have been complaining about some of this chrome effect coming off in the dishwasher, because they are both dishwasher safe for the baskets and the inserts and the dividers. So I'm going to say that's a draw. I can't choose between on build quality on these two products. Right, power consumption. So the Ninja is 2,470 watts in power use, and the Cosori is 2,700 watts of potential power use. So you could look at this in two ways really. So they're obviously peak performance figures. This has obviously got 4 elements in it. So this should cook quicker than this one. It's got the ability to draw more power, therefore be quicker. However, if you're trying to lower your power usage, then possibly the Ninja would take that. But I think to make a proper decision on that, we need to do a bit of a ampage draw on a plug, cooking the same thing on the same settings. So for example, chips using air fry setting. So I think that's what we'll do in a future video. We'll definitely look deeper into the power consumption. However, if you want your max power for your buck, then the Cosori wins. If you're looking at which one has the least peak power, then the Ninja wins. So that one is split. So I'm going to set it as a draw because it's down to your personal preference on that one. Right, now one of the main ones is price point. We both know that these are top of the tree air fryers and they don't come cheap. The Ninja is £170 from Ninja. Now at the time of filming, this is on offer for £220. We move to the Cosori, it is a whopping £290. However, when we look at the full price comparisons, that's £20 more than the Ninja. So currently on Amazon this has £40 off it, dropping it down to £250. Plus there is also a £20 off voucher as well, taking this down to £230, reducing the gap in price difference to £10. So which one would I buy? So looking at what we've just done, the Cosori has come out on top in points compared to the Ninja. However, would I have been happy to buy this 6 months ago and live with this? Definitely, without shadow. However, now as technology has moved on and this is out, the connected app is a massive bonus, and I just love the touchscreen function on this. Is it worth £20 difference when these are at full price? Yes, I would say so. Definitely at the reduced price of £10 between the two, definitely. Now, can you remember at the start I said to you that there was 2 functions that I feel is missing from these air fryers, and previous air fryers from both of these companies incorporate these 2 elements. So Ninja did a dual zone air fryer like the smoker with a built-in probe that plugs in on the front. You can then put it into the basket and you can set your presets and it will cook to that. I really wish either of these had a probe function. Neither of them do, so they've missed a trick there. The Cosori dual zone that I unboxed a while ago, check that video out, cracking air fryer, has windows in the drawers with a little light so you can see what's cooking. Again, I think that is such a good function. I wish that one of these had taken both of those functions, the probe function and the window in the drawer, and fit it, because that would make either one of these the top level air fryer for me personally. Let me know in the comments. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Which one have you got? Have you got the Ninja? Are you brand biased? Let me know in the comments. Or do you recommend a different air fryer to the Cosori or Ninja? Now, what I will say is both of these companies have tried to address the probe issue by releasing wireless food probes. So they're a little probe that you can put into your food and you can connect to an app, and you can then look at your food and monitor it. And I have got one of the Cosori food probes, which I'm going to be unboxing on next week's video on the channel. So make sure you are hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss that, because I think it's going to be really interesting. I've never used one of the wireless food thermometers before, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. So until next time everyone, big thanks for watching. Thanks for Amazing Gleam, my neighbour across the road, for lending me this air fryer again to do another video. I owe you a drink. Until next time, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.